here are 3 easy recipes that you can implement into your vegan routine. Again, I know you guys watch me eat like vegan fried chicken and a bunch of other cool yummy foods when I travel or when I'm exploring, but that's not really what I eat at home. So I'm sending you guys these as some inspiration. So let's check it out. All right, this is a recipe that's gonna help you impress. So you get some firm tofu, don't even need to pat it dry, and then you're gonna add some lemon herb seasoning. You can make your own, but I like this one from Country Life. You guys, when you make this, you're never gonna need to buy ricotta again. So first you get some tomato sauce and you put your first layer down, right? Then you put in your noodles. You don't even have to bake them, okay? This is just extra easy, super lazy, delicious cooking. Add the first layer of ricotta and just like spread it out. And then you're gonna add lots of spinach. And when I mean a lot of spinach, I mean a lot of spinach. So get that big bag from Costco or something. And then you add more sauce, and then you again add noodles, not cooked. And then this isn't a special kind of noodle. I'm pretty sure this is just like regular dried lasagna noodles. Then you add another layer of the tofu ricotta, spread that out again. Then you add your spinach again, a lot. And then another layer of sauce to make that look all pretty. And now you can add vegan Parmesan. This is again from Country Life, but you can use any vegan Parmesan you want or just nutritional yeast. And then this should be your last layer of noodles. And this is gonna be that top portion. So you're gonna make sure to cover it really well with that sauce and spread it out, and then just add whatever more toppings you want. And this is where you get your vegan cheese, any brand of your choice, and just make sure it just looks all pretty. Another way you can do it is you can like put it in a pot to melt it, because vegan cheese doesn't really melt that much, which is a little sad, but we'll get to that later. So you're gonna bake this at 375 for an hour, okay? And then voila, look at that. Look how freaking delicious that looks. If you want an extra melty, cheesy look, I actually melted this cheese in a pot with some water and then you add it on top. But enjoy. Now we're gonna make a side. I'm obsessed with this nut-free vegan pesto. Who knew that chickpeas mixed with some basil can make a creamy pesto? You wanna add some garlic to this. Then you add some vegan Parmesan for that cheesiness, or nutritional yeast if you don't have it, but vegan Parmesan is better. Add some olive oil, salt to taste, and blend, and voila. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this on everything I had for breakfast this morning on toast. Yeah, you're welcome. Now we're gonna make these delicious protein patties. So there's a ton of nuts mixed into these. So you add the walnuts, the almonds, about a 1/4 cup each one, right? And you mix these all together, and you're gonna put these in a blender because you're gonna make kind of like a nut flour. And this is gonna be the base of the oat patties because it's just gonna hold everything together, right? Because we're gonna add tons of veggies packed with water, and you got carrots, zucchini, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. So you're just gonna add it all to a bowl and mix it all in with some flaxseed. Flax is gonna help for binding, and so are the oats. So you add about a cup of oats and just mix, mix, mix. You can add whatever seasoning you want, but we like our not chicken seasoning because it just has it all done for you. So you're gonna add those veggies in, and you're gonna form kind of like a dough. And you're gonna notice that some water is gonna come out of the veggies, but you're gonna need a little more, so add about a 1/3 cup more. So if you feel like it needs some more seasoning, you could always add some aminos or some soy sauce, and then you're just gonna mix it by hand because again, you're gonna make like a dough. If you feel like it's still a little too soft and it needs to be a little more firm, you can add some extra oats just to help it bind a little more. So once that's all done, then you're gonna form your patties, and then you're just gonna grill them until they're nice and golden brown. And the reason these are so great is because they're packed with a lot of nuts and fiber and protein. But nuts have a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. They don't have cholesterol, but they're just overall really good for you, and they have a lot of good fats. So if you're wondering how to eat this, you can add some of that pesto that we made in the prior video plug. Just make sure to watch that. And you can just eat it any way you like, but this was absolutely delicious. You can enjoy any way you want, so tell me if you're gonna try it. Well, I hope you guys like those recipes. Please comment on any other recipes you'd like to see, and like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll check you out on the next video. Bye!